You know that feeling when you've been using something for years and you just know it inside out? Well, that's me with the MacBook Air. I've been devoted to it since 2012, when I bought my first one with my own hard-earned summer job money. Back then, it was the perfect laptop, light, powerful enough, and reliable. But has the new MacBook Air M4 finally evolved into the ultimate version of itself? Or is Apple just playing the same old game with minor upgrades? Stick around, and by the end, you'll know if the M4 MacBook Air is a must-buy or just another Apple cash grab. And hey, if you love straight-to-the-point tech reviews, hit that subscribe button. Apple has been following a pattern with the MacBook Air for years now. Keep the design the same, tweak the insides, and slap a new price on it. But this time, things are a little different. The biggest update? The M4 chip. This is Apple's latest entry-level processor, and it's built to make everything run faster, smoother, and more power efficient. Apple also bumped up the base memory from 8GB to 16GB, which is something they should have done ages ago. Plus, they added a slightly improved 12-megapixel webcam with center stage. Oh, and there's a new sky blue color that's subtly blue, but not really. And the biggest shocker? Apple actually lowered the price. The base model now starts at $999, which is $100 less than before. It almost feels like Apple is being reasonable. So let's talk about what's actually great about this new MacBook Air. Same ultralight design, 2.7 pounds, same premium build, brighter 13.6-inch display, great battery life. Apple claims 15 hours, and in real-world use, it holds up impressively well. Performance boost. If you're coming from an Intel Mac or even an M1, you'll definitely feel the speed upgrade. It also supports 2 external displays, without keeping the lid closed. But then there's the mess stuff. Still only 2 USB-C ports. Come on, Apple. If we can connect 2 monitors now, give us another freaking port. Still no nano texture glass option for better glare reduction. Colors are still too safe. If the base iPad can come in yellow, why not the Air? Now let's talk real-world usage. Apple sent me the 10-core GPU model with 16GB of RAM, and I threw everything at it. Google Chrome, 30+ tabs open, Slack, Telegram, Spotify messages, all running at the same time. It handled it like a champ. Well, except for one time when it overheated and gave me the rainbow wheel of doom. But that was a one-off. If you're planning to do video editing, coding, or even light gaming, this machine won't disappoint. However, if you need serious power for 4K video editing or 3D rendering, you're better off going for a MacBook Pro. Alright, so should you upgrade? Here's the deal. If you have an Intel MacBook, or even an M1 Air, this upgrade is a game changer. If you have an M2 or M3 MacBook Air, this is not worth spending extra money on. The improvements are too small. If you just want a reliable, powerful, and lightweight laptop at a good price, the M4 Air is probably the best MacBook for most people. Also, if you find an M3 MacBook Air on sale for around $750, grab it instead. It's almost the same machine. Look, Apple has done something rare here. They actually made their best-selling laptop cheaper, without cutting corners. But is it perfect? No. We're still waiting on extra ports, nano texture glass, and better colors. Still, for under $1,000, the M4 MacBook Air is probably the best MacBook you can buy today. What do you think? Are you upgrading? Or are you waiting for Apple to finally add a third USB-C port? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tech breakdowns like this.